Welcome back, people. In the last video we replaced the fuel filter in this vehicle, Mazda 3 2010. Now today we are doing a fuel injection cleaning using the canister. I believe it is the best way to clean the injectors. So we start by removing the fuel pump fuse. As you can see now, the car won't start. Now we need to find the delivery line from the fuel tank. So in this vehicle it's easier to access at this point. So you just need to remove this clip by removing the lock and detach the connector. I have this kit. I think it was from Amazon. I have used it in many vehicles. It's really easy to use, has many attachments. You just have to select the correct attachment for this vehicle. In this case is this one. This line goes to the delivery line, the one we just disconnected. This is the fuel injector cleaner that I use, and over here you can see the part number. You just need to pour the whole container inside the canister. You don't need to mix petrol or anything with this product. There are some products that you need to mix petrol, but in this case you don't have to. Connect the air line, and we need to deliver the fluid at the same pressure that the fuel takes into the engine. In this case is between 55 to 60 psi. That's pretty normal for these kind of engines. Then you open the pressure, check for leaks, and now you just need to start the car. It is recommended to do this when the engine is in operative temperature. It gets better results. So it takes like 20 or 30 minutes to discharge all the fluid into the engine. Once the engine starts shaking, it's because the fluid it's almost gone. So you can just turn off the car. Now disconnect the canister from the vehicle. Release the pressure before disconnecting the line, and then don't forget to put back the fuse of the fuel pump, and then you are ready to start the vehicle. Now you just need to build the pressure. So you just turn on and off the key 3 times. That will be enough to build the pressure. And then just start the car. Check for leakages. And that's it. The job is done. So it is a good maintenance for the car. Every time you replace the fuel filter, it's a good idea to do it. And as well, fuel system cleaner as well. You can use one of these in tank afterwards. And that will be enough. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.